most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Dan Tomaso.
All right, welcome in. Yesterday, we had some light rain during the morning, and I said this could really make or break in terms of what shower and storms we get later in the day. And fortunately for our region, we really missed out on any severe weather because that morning rain zapped a lot of the energy or robbed the atmosphere of a lot of energy for later in the day. It also, though, unfortunately meant that because we didn't have a lot of thunderstorms, the rain totals from yesterday not that impressive locally. We had some areas over Mifflin and Juniata counties, even Perry County, that did pretty well, upwards of a 1.25 inches of rain. Also, the northern half of Dauphin County, sort of questioning how much fell in southern Dauphin County, because I know at my house I only got a couple hundredths of an inch of rain, and we certainly need a lot more than that. But then notice this gigantic hole in the rainfall where we were hoping for more rain overall. Again, a couple hundredths of an inch maybe in some spots. The strongest thunderstorm was in far eastern Lancaster County. That did produce a severe thunderstorm warning, ultimately a tornado warning then over parts of Chester County. But again, this is the region-wide view, and you can see right there the mid-state kind of in a big old hole to the west, to the south, to the east. Very heavy rain. In fact, 1 to 2 inches of rain. We were just in the wrong place, wrong time yesterday, unfortunately, in terms of trying to get some of that heavier rain in the region. Now, there will be some bonus light rainfall here this morning. We're starting to see that taking shape right now over parts of West Virginia and Virginia. So this whole area of moisture has to lift on through a weak area of low pressure, in fact, and that's really the last little remnant of this front. Now, yesterday, we were hoping most of this would be to the east already. That did not happen. So again, we are watching for some showers here developing over parts of Fulton and Franklin counties now. We'll see how much more to the north and east that develops throughout the morning. We'll be tracking that here on Daybreak. Current temperatures near 70 degrees. We were talking about this at the top of the show. It is a very soupy air mass out there. There's not much wind to move that along either. So most of our valley locations are going to have fog through a good part of the morning, unless, again, a little bit of a breeze starts to pick up. So yesterday's high, 78 degrees. At the airport officially, only 0.04 of an inch of rain. So our deficit is now easily over 5 inches of rain since January 1st. And again, rain was all around us yesterday. Why couldn't we tap in just a little bit of that? Today, because of the light rain and the clouds still lingering, temperatures are going to struggle. It's going to take a good part of the day into the afternoon to see those numbers rise. Likely mid-70s to upper 70s at best. I would say, too, the higher chance of clearing is west of the river today. East of the river, it may take most of the day until we get some sunshine. But once the sun arrives, this is nice air, nice comfortable air for this time of the year that moves in for tomorrow. So this is our Wednesday forecast. This is our Tuesday forecast. So area of low pressure, clouds, and lingering showers here for the rest of the day. So if you have plans this evening, we'll call partly cloudy. Again, farther to the east, clouds will linger longer. I think closer to sunset, though, we all get to have a nice evening. So there's still time to get some yard work done, maybe clean up from some of the moisture from the last 2 days. But here we go on Precision Cast. Through about 8, 9 o'clock this morning, showers lingering, but that could even happen for parts of York and Lancaster counties through early this afternoon. Again, before the clouds really begin to clear, and there's that dry air. So west of the river should have a pretty nice afternoon, even evening. It may take until the evening hours for parts of York, Lancaster, and Lebanon to get that sunshine. Tomorrow, no problem whatsoever. We start with sun, we end with sun. Another glorious day here. Think back to the weekend forecast. Maybe a little bit of a breeze, too, at times. Not as strong as Saturday and Sunday, but still pretty nice. Thursday, too. Calm, pretty comfortable. The chance of a couple of pop-up showers and storms during the late afternoon hours, but those seem to be pretty small, even for Friday, too. Again, a few late day storms bubbling up in the heating of the day. That's about all. Temperatures for today, middle to upper 70s. As I mentioned, tonight, though, likely dropping into the 50s for some of us with this cooler, drier air, and then temperatures rise to about the low 80s heading into Wednesday afternoon. Winds today, again, out of the north and northwest. They'll start to pick up at times, a little bit blustery, but nothing too out of the ordinary here. Here's your 7-day forecast, or at least for today, leading into the 7-day forecast. 78 scattered showers, clearing by evening tonight, dropping to about 60. Again, more clearing into tomorrow. As I mentioned yesterday, tomorrow's the nicest day of the week, but even Thursday, still nice, mid-80s. Chance of a late-day storm, same for Friday. I know Saturday looks a little bit foreboding there, scattered showers and storms. I want to watch the trends on that. You know, this month, a lot of rain chances have disappeared. We'll see how that holds up over time.
Not committing to that yet.
Not committing to them, that's for sure.
All right. Thank you, Dan.